This is what we're going to draw. This deer is quite complicated. We're going to try and make it a little bit easier for you. So what we need to do is draw this sausage, but it's going to be slightly sort of up at this end. And then this wants to sort of curl around up that way, majestically, always majestically. And then we want to come down and straight down and across. So that's kind of the head there. And then this is going to, the neck is going to come into the top of the body with a curve like that. Quite a simple curve. Now we're going to want ears like that. And then we're going to want to have our fantastic antlers coming out like that. Here we're going to want to have one leg sort of pointing forward. And can you see this is like a long thin triangle that's getting thinner and thinner, and then we're going to have the hoof at the bottom. And then we're going to want a long thin triangle with a hoof at the bottom there. And we're going to try and do a nice sort of curve there for the tummy. Let's put an eye in there, that's a bit better, isn't it? And then here we're going to do like a curve and then straight down. Straight down. And then this curve here can come and join it like that. That's going to be the bottom, so we're going to want the hoof about there. And we're going to want another one about there, slightly curved at the top and coming in with a hoof at the bottom. So we can draw an ear and then the head and an eye, and draw the other ear there, and you can put those little hearing bits in if you want. And then let's draw the antler coming up like that, and then we can put the extra sort of bits coming out like that. You can maybe add another one on there, one in the middle like that, and then we want a couple coming from the top of his head as well. And now I'm going to draw this leg first. So it's coming down, it's really, we're kind of making it a designer leg really. So it's just a nice long thin leg. And then we can draw that curve coming down to there. So we can follow through with that front leg that's at the back, as it were. Let's just bring that up a little bit there so that we can draw that curve coming through like that, and we'll draw that hoof, and let's bring that back like that into a nice curve and then straight down. That's the tummy, and then that's going to be the other back leg on the other side. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And people go, wow, how did you do that so neatly? And we're going to put some bits of sort of grass on there like that. And you can maybe make it sort of come down a little bit so it's like he's on the top of a little hillock, being proud. And what you could do is just shade these in black. This just makes them look a bit shiny. You don't have to. What you could do to make it look Christmassy is put some little Christmas decorations hanging down. Let's have one coming down there. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we fit another one in there? What have we got? I think we can try and put one in there too. Then all you need to do is to colour it in, like this video and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy.